In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a promotion poster in Canva. We're going to create it using one of Canva's ready-made templates, which makes the whole process much faster and easier, especially if you want a polished result without starting from a blank page. This is a great option for sales posters, event promotions, business announcements, or any design that needs to catch attention quickly. To begin, open Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the templates section. This is where Canva organizes pre-designed layouts for all kinds of projects, and it's one of the easiest ways to get started when you need inspiration or want a professional-looking design right away. After that, click on Templates. When the template library opens, use the search bar and type in promotional poster. This will help narrow the results so you can focus specifically on poster designs made for promotions. You'll usually see a variety of styles here, from bold and colorful layouts to more minimal and modern options. So take a moment to scan through and choose something that matches the message or brand style you want to present. Once you find a design you like, select a template. Don't worry about finding something absolutely perfect at first, because the next part is where you make it your own. After selecting it, click on Customize this template. This will open the design inside Canva's editor, where you can begin adjusting the poster to fit your needs. Now it's time to edit the template. This is where your promotional poster really comes together. Replace the sample text with your own headline, offer, event name, or promotional message. Update any supporting details so the poster clearly communicates what you want people to notice. You can also change images, colors, fonts, and spacing to better match your style or branding. As you make edits, try to keep the design clean and easy to read. A promotion poster works best when the main message stands out immediately, so make sure your most important text is large, clear, and placed in a strong visual area. As a simple tip, review the overall layout before you finish. Make sure nothing feels too crowded and that the design still looks balanced after your changes. Canva templates are built to help with structure, so even small edits can create a very professional result. And that's how to design a promotion poster in Canva. Once your template is customized, you'll have a poster that looks polished, eye-catching, and ready for your promotional needs.